Good morning, everyone. I guess today I'm up earlier than I really should be, but welcome to BuildBoostDrive. I've been tipped off. Tyler said there was some Talon Twisties at the local U-Pullet, but I also got to make a trip over to UPS because I got an expensive package coming in. Unfortunately, it's going to my old house, old address. So now we're going to have to fight through the fun morning traffic all the way to UPS, and then I'll hit UPS. I'll hit U-Pullet on the way back. So we'll see if I can run with the GoPro today. I hope everybody else's day is going nice. All your projects are going good. No hiccups, because if there's one thing we all hate, it's having to wait on something, or well, what's usually the other issue, something breaking, a bolt getting stuck, breaking off in something that's not supposed to. But let's enjoy our drive. Try to enjoy our drive all the way there. Yay. And this is what we're here for. Nice old Talon. I see a lot of pieces that a lot of people would like to have. Even had the old driver handbook and everything, owner's manual. But we got what we're here for. I needed this side piece for reasons. I think I'm gonna take the other one just in case. Guess my good one goes bad. Always treasure, always kid in the candy store when I come here. At least when they have something. But this is nice. Nice find. Alright, so this is what we got from the junkyard. Basically these side strakes. Goes right here. Side of the doors. Reason I need these are for the twisties that came on the Talons. The side skirts on the Talons have that nice little uplip to them, and stuff's falling over there. And I was able to, with the help of Tyler, he found me a set of these Talon Twisties, and I always like the look of them. And that's where we were heading at the beginning of the video, was out to Missouri to trade. I think it was a 2 GB set for these Talon Twisties. But when we were taking them off, the original door trims are very brittle, which is not uncommon. That side came off, but I think it was the passenger side that just splintered and blew apart. I got lucky on that Talon in the junkyard. They just pulled right off. They're still malleable. Makes me wonder if that Talon sat in the garage. Its plastics and everything are just in great condition. It's also a bonus that is my car color, so even though the car's not painted, at least these will match until we get to painting. But I guess let's go open some boxes. That sounds like a good idea. Whew. First of many good boxes. This is from Rick's Racing. He's got a lot of used parts and stuff for sale, and if you continue to follow this channel, watch builds, I love to reuse parts that are still good. Instead of buying new all the time, if I don't have to, I'd rather just either clean up, refurbish, or buy something used that somebody else doesn't have a use for anymore. So that's what we're doing. That's the first fun things that I got for a good price. Just like Christmas. Man, those things look brand new. Used for a couple seasons on one of their cars, I do believe. But I don't know if it's coming through with the lighting, but AM True Time gears. Whoop, as I try to drop it and break it, or dent it. But yeah, it looks in great condition. That's beautiful. That is awesome. That's mostly all I needed that I saw on this site for the build. But I did see something else for a good price I couldn't pass up. And that is a fuel injector clinic fuel rail, which also looks to be in just pristine, perfect condition. I don't even see really any scratches or anything on it. That is awesome. I do have to find a different feed side for this. This is dash 10, a normal dash 6. I'm not pushing any power for a dash 10, so I gotta get a inline for that. Other than that, that will look nice. Alright, package number, let's see, 3, I do believe. This is the one I was having to deal with UPS with. For some reason, PayPal sent the wrong address, my old address, which has never happened before, but got it taken care of. It's here. Got it from a fellow DSM guy. He's got a build page on DSM tuners that I will throw up there. But he gave me a great deal on this. I've been wanting this turbo since I first started, thinking about being able to actually have the funds to build a car. So I'm excited for this because it's kind of the turbo I wanted for my 4G64 build. Packed it very well. Thank you, sir. Apparently it's only been ran at startup, so it was never really used. That's only about the history I got on it. Yes. So, what we got is an FP green. Looks great. No movement, all looks good, spins freely. Nice. It's a little bit of size comparison. I got an HX35 right here and then this FP green. I knew these weren't huge, but I was actually a little surprised by how small it actually is. So that's cool. I haven't decided if I'm just going to hold on to this one for later use, because I would like to run the HX35, but right now, even though we're not running any of these right now because we're just out of time, I would like to utilize this in the future. It's just I don't want to go through all the extras of, you know, manifold or the BEP housing, having to move fans, having to dent water pipe if I have to, all that. Just more than I want to mess with right now. So I'm not sure if I'll sell this or hold on to it, and it's perfectly good turbo. Very low miles. It was actually like a replaced turbo on a truck, and then the kid had to part out the truck for money, so this was never really ran that much. but just a little bit of size comparison. Yeah, a quick fun one. I did buy some Inkays for, or however you say that damn name, for the GSX. And of course they don't come with center caps. So there's a little company that makes these. They pop right in, they're plastic so it won't mar the paint. They're really nice quality. That'll keep those axle and castle nuts from just sitting out in the weather, I guess. With the little rusty centers like they usually look. Alright, let's see what's up next. Here's something, it's probably rain. Huh, I wonder what's in this one. Alright. Oh, it's a filter. Yeah, I think they'll breathe quite well. Cool. I got this, I ordered this one off Extreme PSI. Next package will be Extreme PSI too. Lord knows they've basically are the reason I've done anything on this Eclipse with all the products I bought from them. Already smudging it up, no. Yeah, next package. Alright, big box, last box. Yeah, off the bat, fluid damper. Nothing like trying to make things safer. Some Mt90 for transmission going back in. Basically just a line from the fuel filter to the fuel rail. Then right here we got Fuel Injector Clinic 1220s for 1200s. And I believe that was it. Oh no. Oh, we got an AN line. And an attachment for the HKS SS QV for recirculation. Yep, and that was it for that. Nice. Now we just need to play with all of it.